Let's use our editing checklist to check our sentences for capitals, punctuation, and spacing. All right, first thing we'll look for are capital letters. Capital letters come at the beginning of a sentence. This polar bear, capital at the beginning for this polar bear is a living thing. That's the end of my sentence, but living should not have a capital letter. That's in the middle of my sentence, so I'm going to put a lowercase l. It breathes fresh air. That's a new sentence, so it should get a capital letter at the beginning. It breathes fresh air. And this A is not the beginning of my sentence, so it needs to be lowercase. Next thing we're looking for is punctuation at the end of a sentence. This polar bear is a living thing. Period. I'm going to add that in. It breathes fresh air. Period. That one's there. Now let's check for finger spacing between each word. This polar bear is, is an A, do not have space in between. Living thing. It breathes fresh air. All right, last thing we do is check to make sure it makes sense. This polar bear is a living thing. It breathes fresh air. It does make sense. On the next slide, press that blue arrow, and on the next slide, you are going to use the checklist to correct some sentences.